So yesterday we have discussed about the first principle, utmost good faith, right? So we need to okay. First principle is we are not supposed to cheat. Here you can see what happened. This Ramesh, he cheated the insurer. How he didn't disclose that he is having heart disease. Okay, and what happened later? He died. So anyhow, they came to know. So what happened? They said they will not contribute. Okay. So we need to be most loyal and faithful to each other. That is the first one, first principle. And second principle is insurable interest. So the insured must have an insurable interest in the subject. Who is insured here? Who is insured? The person who took insurance. Okay, insurer in the sense the company. Okay, insured in the sense the person, like for example John. So I got insurance. So that means the insured represent the person who took insurance. So must have an insurable interest in the subject matter of insurance. Yes or no? So have you all seen this insurance agent? So often they will communicate and they will try to convince us. Yes. So only if we have interest, we will show what importance, or else we will not consider at all. Yes. Yes, Miss Vashini. Suppose if you
Yes,
have
sir.
interested in any product, if you want to buy, then only we will show some interest. So first of all, if we don't like that product in the sense, then how we will? So that's the first thing. Second principle: a person is said to have insurable interest in the property if he will be adversely affected by its destructions. Okay, first thing is the property insurance also there. Like you can say, we can insure our home, we can insure our what machines, we can insure what our goods. Yesterday you have shared us different types of goods, right? So it's depend upon the interest. The insured must either own a part or hold the subject matter of the insurance, or he must in such a position that injury to would affect him adversely. So when we will do insurance, so when we are so when any accidents, okay, now it will affect a lot. So it will affect a lot. That's the reason we will insure, right? So sadhana thing, for example, cycle. For cycle, do we insure? The cycle we will not do insure. Why? Because even if there is any damage, it will not affect adversely. Adversely, ரொம்ப heavily. So for which product you will insure in the sense which one may affect very huge loss. So that kind of products you will insure. In case of insurance of property, insurable interest of the insured must exist at the time of entering into the insurance contract. However, it is not necessary that insured must own the property at the time of insurance. Okay. So, example, a trustee holding a property on behalf of others has an insurable interest in the property. Okay. So, என்ன பண்ணணும் அந்த இன்சூரன்ஸ் எடுக்கிறவர் he must okay, it says that for example we bought a car. Okay, அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? In partnership. So they might be the insurance எடுக்கிறாங்க, they might be the owner. Okay, so even they may be a trustee, they may be a managing director. Okay, so you can see in our school we have more than 30 school bus. Okay, now we have trust, so it's our school functioning like a trust. So what happened? Anyone who is interested, for example, one particular partner is interested with LIC, another partner he might be interested in Kodak Mahindra. So depending upon the interest, so we can able to what purchase the product. So he or she must not be a what owner அப்படிங்கிறது கண்டிப்பா இருக்கணுங்கிறது அவசியம் இல்லை. Next one is indemnity. Indemnity means security against loss. Okay. So, for example, what is indemnity? So, if we do insurance, we are safe. Yes. So, have you all seen this Hollywood celebrities? I think you know very well since you people watch Korean series. So, most of the people, those who resides in USA and UK, they will even insure their dog. Have you heard about that?
Yes, sir.
They even insure their pet animals. They even insure their hand separately, legs separately. They will insure in case they want to do any plastic surgery. They will use. Okay, so indemnity in the sense is the
I
security.
uh, I
What
know
more?
one person, sir. He should for his tongue, sir, because he's a
Mm,
main person in organization, sir. He tastes all flavors, sir. Every flavor, then only it will
mm.
release, sir. After
Okay.
after tasting, sir, he insured his tongue, sir.
Wow. Good. 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 So why is the food taster, right? So since he is working in Arun ice cream, he need to taste the flavor, different flavor. Okay. Very good. Very good example. So.
Also, a Hollywood heroine insured for her teeth, sir, because of her smile.
Oh, super. Super. Very good. So that means what? It shows they are secured, right? So the purpose of this principle is to put the insured in the event of loss in the same position that he occupied immediately before the happening of the event. Okay. It means the insured is as entitled. Insured means what? The person who had taken insurance policy. The insured is entitled to recover the extent of the loss suffered by him up to the limit of amount covered by the policy. Okay, what about the amount? For example, you can see. So if I have a okay, so lorry. So what I'm doing it as a for business. So what I will do? How much I have insured? The vehicle cost might be 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs, but what amount I have taken, how much I have insured, that only I can able to claim. So if it is met with an accident, I can claim up to the amount what I have purchased. The insurance is not allowed to make any profit on happening of the event. The compensation payable and loss suffered or to be measured in terms of money. Okay, all insurance contracts of fire or marine insurance or contract of indemnity. Okay, you can see fire and marine. For marine in the sense the like cargoes. So the cargo ships, the containers. So the people, those who are doing imports and exports, so what they will do, they need to take insurance compulsory. Even for example, if you are traveling through aeroplane, okay. So if you are flying from one country to another country, we must have travel insurance. It is there. Okay, only for particular travel. For example, today I'm traveling to Dubai. So from here, India to Dubai, only for this travel, that insurance policy will cover. So in between, if any flight accidents or any crash, so I can able to claim that policy. Okay, then proximate costs. Cause of loss may be two kinds. One is insured perils and uninsured perils. According to the principle, the insurer is liable for the loss only when such loss is proximately caused by the perils with which are stated in the policy. Okay. When a loss occurs due to two or three more causes, the proximate cause is the one which is the most dominant and most effective. Insurer is not liable for any other uninsured causes of perils. Okay. So what do you mean by perils? Are you all there, guys? Hello, Srinidhi, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Hello, Srinidhi, இருக்கீங்களா? Okay. The peril in the sense is danger, immediate danger or serious danger. Okay. So immediate danger or serious danger, which is to be called as peril. So fine, let's back to the topic now. So here, the which so which one caused the most what very first disaster, and also up to what are all the products we have insured, only for that we can able to claim. For example, in a workshop or else in a company, the entrepreneur or the businessman will insure only for the products or the machineries. He might be bought machine for 2 crore, 3 crore, he will insure only those machines. But in other old machines, he didn't insure. So when any serious injuries happen or blast or any accidents, what will happen? Only what the product what he have insured, only for that he will get claim. Other products, it is not possible for him to get a claim. Okay, so that is the fourth principle. First one principle is we need to be faith. We're not supposed to cheat both the insurer and the insured person. Second one is what they must have, the insured person must have interest. Third one is indemnity, in a sense secured one. When we have insured, it's a secured. Fourth one is, whatever we insured, we can able to claim only for that product. So we can't claim insurance for any other products what we didn't what insured. Then sub subrogations. According to this principle, the insurer get all the rights against the third party with respect to subject matter insured after compensation the loss of insured. Okay, for example, if a car has been stolen, the insurer will compensate the loss of as the car was covered by insurance. However, if the car is recovered later, then the insurer will have the right on the car. This is because the insured should not be allowed to make any profit by selling the lost car being recovered. Okay, have you understood this example? Subrogations. What do you mean by that? For example, Varshini என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? She is having a Maruti Swift Desire. Okay, so nearly 8 lakh worth car. So what happened? She insured that car, but unfortunately, that car got stolen by someone else. Since she is insured, she can able to claim the amount, not the entire amount. How much she has been insured. For example, she might be insured for 6 lakhs or 7 lakhs. It depends upon the policy. So that amount she can able to get back. அதுவே பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா after some time what happened? She got back that car. So என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? The insurer have the rights. Okay. So either they can get back that car or else they can able to ask for their money. So it depends upon the situation. But why? Because the insurer have rights, because they have paid the policy. Okay. Then contribution. What do you mean by contribution? Sharing each other, which is called as contribution. Yes or no? For example, how many
Yes.
of them going to contribute for flood this or else flood in Kerala? So or else Corona support fund. So what we will do, each and every person will contribute. That means they will share some portions of money. Okay, what about this contribution? According to this principle, insurer means what? The company owner, either the LIC, the insurer, in the sense it's an organization who has paid the claim amount under an insurance policy has the right to recover the proportionate contribution from the other insurer. The insured can take more than one policy on the same property. Okay, so what they are saying, for example, we can able to take insurance. Okay, so usually we will buy only one insurance for a product. Even you can see if you take a person, okay, or a person இருக்காரு, we can name it as Vijay. Okay, அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்? So we might be having medical insurance. Okay, இன்னொன்று பார்த்தோம்னாக்க life insurance. இன்னொன்று பார்த்தோம்னாக்க health insurance. So in a particular product, we can able it is possible or it is allowed for us to take many insurance, meaning insurance policy. In case there is a loss on such property, the insured has no right to recover more than the full amount of his cause actual loss. Okay. So in case there is a loss on such property, the insured has no right to recover more than the full amount of his actual loss. Okay. So what is the what do you mean by that? So he is insured. For example, ஒரு மிஷினை வந்து பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா இங்க கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க எக்ஸாம்பிள் யூ கேன் சி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹரிஷ் வந்து என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காரு இன்சூர்ட் இஸ் ஹவுஸ் ஃபார் 2 lakhs with insurer X and for 4 lakhs and insurer Y for insurer Y 2 lakhs with insurer X and insurer Y. That means what? ரெண்டு different companies. You can see LIC. Okay, LICல ஒரு இன்சூரன்ஸ் போட்டிருக்காரு, then Kodak Mahindra. So Kodak Mahindra and LIC. Okay, ரெண்டு. So what happened? Aris is a person. What he have insured is house. He has insured on two different firms, LIC and Kodak Mahindra. ரெண்டு கம்பெனிலையும் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காரு, அவருடைய வீட்டை இன்சூரன்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. So Aris incur a loss for 2,40,000. இப்போ பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா LICல 2 lakhs-உம் then Kodak Mahindraல insured 4 lakhs. What happened? அவங்க வீடு வந்து என்னாச்சு, மேபி ஏதாவது இஷ்யூ ஆயிடுச்சு, ஃப்ளட்லயோ இல்லை earthquakeல he got a disaster. So what happened here? Haris incur a loss for 2,40,000. Now the liability of X and Y will be calculated as follows. Suppose a contribution means what? Both the insurer will contribute according to the damage. You can see, for example, the liability of X. Xங்கிறது யாரு? LIC. So LIC வந்து how much he had taken insurance, you can see. So 2 lakhs he has taken, 2 lakhs. Okay. So what about have you seen the formula? Sum of, this is what the sum of insured with X. Okay. Sum of insured with X means what the amount what person insured in X in the sense LIC. இப்போ LICல எவ்வளோ பண்ணியிருக்காரு? 2 lakhs. So total sum insured. Total sum means what? So LIC plus Kodak Mahindra. So Kodak Mahindraல எவ்வளோ போட்டிருக்காரு? அப்போ பார்த்தோம்னாக்க 2 lakhs plus 4 lakhs 6 lakhs. So 2 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs into what's the damage? எவ்வளோ ஆயிருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா 2,40,000. So how much he will be getting? 80,000. Okay. So we can't expect. Okay. So since he is insured in two different companies, so he will get two different claims. So a loss is for 2 lakhs. So both of them will give 2 lakhs and சொல்லிட்டு என்ன நினைக்கிறது? So some people they will do cleverly. Yes or no? Yes. For example, the same Hari's example எடுத்துக்குவோம். So usually what we will think, oh, ரெண்டு insurance எடுத்திருக்காரு. So when any damages occur, what he will do? He will claim both the companies like LIC also he can claim and Kodak Mahindra also he can claim. So he might be getting what 2,40,000 plus 2,40,000. That means 4,80,000 அப்படி கிடைக்கும்னு சொல்லி நினைப்பாங்க. ஸோ இதுவே சுச்சுவேஷன் ஆச்சுன்னா everyone will make like this because they will get more money compared to loss, but different company they will get more money. But in what happened, the insurer they have contribution. Okay, insurer means what? The company. Okay. So you can see in LIC they will give 80,000. So what about Kodak Mahindra? In Kodak Mahindra he had taken 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs and divided by total sum of insured for in that property. The total sum is 6 lakhs. So what about the loss? 2,40,000. So finally we will get 1,60,000. Okay. So 1,60,000 plus 80,000. How much Mr. Harish will get the compensation? 80 plus 60. Yeah. So 160. So how much? 2,40,000 you will get. 2,40,000 you will get as a compensation amount. So that is the sixth principle, contribution. Okay, both the if a person taken more than one insurance policy, they will contribute. They will while applying for that what compensation, they will contribute equally. Clear? This is what principle of contribution. Any doubts, guys?
No doubt, sir.
Can I go for further? Okay. So, is it MA or MT? Can you please check? MILI or MITI?
Sir, MILI.
Okay, so miligation. Okay, miligation. According to this principle, it is duty of the insured to take reasonable steps to minimize the loss or damage to the insured property. This principle aim at make sure that insured behaves as a prudent person and does not become careless after taking a policy to cover any risk. If reasonable care is not taken, then the claim from the insurance company may be lost. Okay, so if goods kept in a warehouse are covered by a fire policy and the warehouse catches fire, then insurance must try to recover the goods and save them from fire to minimize the loss or damage. Okay, you can see. So, um, mitigations. Okay, mitigations in the sense. So, so insurance எடுத்துட்டோம். For example, I have taken insurance for my car. So I can't be what rude. I can't drive very rash driving and that no I have coverage. So anything happen, I can able to manage eventually at the club. We need to be very careful and we must be a responsible person for that. In case, for example, in our book, they are given one example. What's that example? Warehouse. Warehouse in the sense it's a godown. Okay. So in there we have whatever the finished goods we will save there safely. Have you all heard about this fire accidents in Sivagasi? Often we will hear this news in newspapers and news. So good on Lati purchase. That means for the after producing a good, they will keep it safely in a warehouse. So according to the fire and safety measures, we need to keep or we need to plan and we need to act accordingly. But now when we are fail to do that fire and safety measures, fail items, then if fire accident has occurred, then the insurer will not water. They will not take the risks. So these are the principles of insurance. First one is should be good faith in the sense what we need. We are not supposed to cheat anyone. We need to be loyal to each other. And the the person insured. Okay, they are வாங்குறவங்கள they must have insurance. Then only they will show interest. Then third principle is indemnity in the sense security for the product what we have insured. Then proximate cost in the sense so which one we have covered insured that only for that product we can able to claim. So apart from that it is not possible for us to claim. Then sub the whatever is it subrogation in the sense it is what so they have the insurer have all the rights of that particular commodity. Okay, what we have insured. So example, ஒரு கார் காணாம போயிடுச்சு then what they will do, they will give us the compensation amount, loss எவ்வளோ ஆயிருக்கோ அது தருவாரு. But the same way, if we got back that particular vehicle, then the insurer have all the rights to what give us that particular product. Okay, so that's the fifth point. Sixth one is contribution. If we have taken insurance policy with more than one company, then what they will do at the time of claim, they will do cross verification and they will contribute each other for the losses incurred. So mitigation in the sense what so we need to be very careful even after the products or things what we have, the properties what we have insured. So these are all the what principles of insurance. Now you can see what are the types of insurance. So types of insurance. Any doubts, guys?
No doubt, sir.
So you can see insurance cover different types of risk. All contracts of insurance can be broadly classified. First one is life insurance, then general insurance. So what is life insurance? So in case any death or any injuries or any disabilities happen due to accidents, we can able to what? We can able to claim back. Okay, then you can see this general insurance is comes under fire insurance. So fire insurance in case of any fire, okay, some maximum in the industries, they will go for this fire insurance. Okay, so fire incident may happen due to short circuit in the electricity. So we can able to claim. Then marine insurance means what? The ship or hull insurance. Ship in the sense, this insurance for only for the cargo ships. Okay, this is for cargo insurance. Okay, this is for ship insurance. This is cargo, fridge, no, freight in the sense the commodity. நம்ம உள்ள அந்த ஷிப்ல ஏத்திட்டு போவோம் இல்லையா கண்டெய்னரா, that we will call it as freight insurance. Then health insurance like medical. So in case if you are not sick, feeling sick, we can able to what we can able to claim. For example, any issues. We need to admit in hospital, so health insurance is very useful for us. Then what about the other insurance? Like motor insurance. For two-wheeler and four-wheeler, we must have insurance. Then burglary insurance, cattle insurance, crop insurance, sports insurance, Amartya Sen, Shiksha Yojana, then Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyan Bima Yojana. So either one another. So this is for the we'll discuss all these things one by one. So Alago Srinidhi, are you there? So Alago Srinidhi, என்ன பண்றீங்க எனக்கு?